Looking ahead to Monday, Ohio's controversial transgender health care and women's sports law goes on trial Monday.
Well, a judge temporarily blocked that new law from taking effect for nearly 3 months leading up to this trial. 10 TV political reporter Doug Petcash joins us tonight in studio with a preview of what's happening. Doug.
Well, Angela and Andrew, the law was supposed to take effect on April 24th, but the ACLU sued, arguing the law violates the state constitution, and a judge issued a temporary restraining order. The law, originally known as House Bill 68, bans gender-affirming surgeries and hormone therapies for transgender minors. It also bans transgender athletes from competing in girls' and women's school sports. The ACLU of Ohio sued on behalf of 2 families with transgender children who could lose access to gender-affirming health care. Franklin County Judge Michael Holbrook issued the temporary restraining order on April 16th. In his written opinion, he said the law likely violates a requirement that state legislation deal with a single subject. Supporters of the law argue it is constitutional. University of Cincinnati political science professor David Niven has followed this case closely. He explains what's at stake in regards to the possible outcome.
This could be a much more direct and sweeping notion that this violates equal protection, that you can't treat transgender individuals differently without what the court has long held as a compelling government reason. Why are you doing this? What is being accomplished? Why do you need to do this?
ACLU of Ohio legal director Freda Levinson says the suit argues the law violates 4 provisions of the state constitution: the single subject rule, the equal protection clause, due process rights of the parents, and that the ban on health care violates a guarantee of freedom to choose health care. The trial is scheduled to start at 9 o'clock Monday morning in Franklin County Common Pleas Court. We will be in the courtroom and will bring you the latest on what happens on 10 TV and 10tv.com. Angela.